Hey, this is Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Standing on a 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat is an outboard. So you got a 200 Mercury here on the back, ski tow pole, dune upholstery, and brown flooring. A nice sun pad back here that will lift up. It's a ton of storage underneath here where your IO would have been. Tons of room for rafts and gear for the day on the water. Seating. Nice screen up here. Matching port and starboard helm seats. Seat behind the port, which has some storage. And there's storage under these seats as well, and a removable cooler. And storage under the floor. This boat has a locking glove box. Great if you're going to a restaurant, you can lock some stuff in there while you're there. And the bow has a bow filler cushion, so a little more room to lounge out. Anchor locker up front. Speakers in the bow. Powder coated aluminum windshield frame with a window that closes, so keep you a little warmer on those colder mornings or afternoons. And this boat is equipped with a bimini top. Again, guys, this has been Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. It's a 21 SPX Sea Ray 2023 model year. If you got a question about this boat, give us a call, 609-207-3325.